Hey there everyone, Buckeye TV meteorologist Derek Witt here. It has been a very hot, almost July-like week, and that weather continues into today. We are currently sitting at 85 degrees here in the afternoon, but we have had some more clouds move in. And when we take a look at what we're expecting for the rest of today, still very hot and muggy like it has been for the last 3 or 4 days. A high of 88 degrees expected, breezy conditions, but we do have a chance of thunderstorms coming in the next few hours. Like I just said, we do have some storms in the forecast for today, tomorrow, and on Saturday, game day. But after all that's over, we have a much cooler next week, much more pleasant forecast for that. And after I talk about that, we'll have the game day forecast, what you can expect and how to plan for the Buckeyes game on Saturday. So when we take a look at the current radar, this line of showers and thunderstorms in central Indiana has begun to intensify over the last few hours, and that'll be advancing towards Columbus, arriving just around or just after dinner time. Plans, be sure to grab an umbrella or rain jacket with that chance. And we zoom things out just a little bit to look at the more regional national radar. It extends down into southern Illinois and Missouri here, and that's all out in front of a cold front that we have coming in. That cold front is what is driving all of this rain in our very active weather pattern we have going on, clearly defined down through Wisconsin, Iowa, and Missouri here. That'll bring us the chances of rain today, tomorrow, and on Saturday. And we do have kind of some heavy rain by the time it's all done. A possible quarter-inch today, another possible quarter-inch tomorrow, and a half-inch or more of heavy rain with possible afternoon thunderstorms on Saturday. And that is indicated on the map here, these darker shades of green indicating an inch or just there above. So when we look at the temperature gradient of the country, you can see very clearly defined east of the line of rain here, upper 80s and lower 90s, very hot, very humid, but behind it, much cooler, much more pleasant weather. And that is what is heading our way for early next week. Low tonight of 71 degrees, a very muggy night, kind of uncomfortable, and isolated thunderstorms through the evening. When we take a look at forecast for Friday, tomorrow, very warm and muggy, that chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon, about 40%. And so now here's our game day forecast, when the Buckeyes take on the Golden Hurricanes of Tulsa. Unfortunately, when they come into town, they will bring the chance of rain with them. A 70 to 80% chance of thunderstorms at kickoff, and it'll be 86 degrees, heat index in the lower 90s. That heat and humidity is what will really fire up those afternoon thunderstorms. So if you do plan on going to the game, be sure to take an umbrella or rain jacket, just something to keep yourself dry. So finally, take a look at the extended forecast. Upper 80s for the next few days, very hot and humid. Probably the last hot week of the year for 2016. Those chances of storms each day, climaxing at the afternoon thunderstorms on Saturday when the cold front moves in, unfortunately tying into game time. On Sunday and Monday, however, much more pleasant weather, highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s, sunny skies, and overnight lows in the 50s. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in on Monday.